video. Today I'm starting off the video by myself because Javon is at work. So yeah, I'm gonna start it off today. I'm off today and I'm off tomorrow, and I just go on Wednesday for like 2 hours and then I come back home. Hallelujah. But yeah, so oh, I need the tripod, y'all. I went off and I left the tripod at Javon's house. So now I have to hold this camera up like this all day. I have to hold it up like this and my arm is already hurting. So, yeah. What's on the agenda today, Shy? Well, today I have an appointment, back therapy appointment. So, I'm going to go to my appointment, and after that, I'm just going to maybe make some groceries or something. I don't know. Right now, I'm just about to get ready to go to my appointment. It's like 10:01 right now. But before I go, I'm going to stop off and get me some gas because, I mean, it's on not a half a tank, but a fourth. I mean, not a fourth, but it's almost till empty. Okay, I got like 78 more miles to go, like the range. So that is not cool for me. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna stop off and I'm gonna get me some gas. And then after I get me some gas, I'm gonna go to Family Dollars, and I'm gonna try to find me one of those little mount thingies for the car so I can put my phone up here so that way I can record while I'm driving. I am on my way to the gas station. I went to Family Dollars and I bought the mount that I was looking for. It's not the exact one that I was looking for because it's a different one. It's like, I think it's like a circle one, but yeah, I couldn't find that one in Family Dollars, and I didn't feel like keep going to different stores and stuff, and I found this one. So I'm like, okay, well, let me just get this one and go on by my day. So now I'm going to go and get some gas. And then after I go and get gas, I'm gonna go to my appointment. Guys, I'm so excited about this YouTube thing. Like, it took me 4 years to finally do YouTube. And the only thing I did YouTube because Javon. Like, I'm a little shy at doing stuff like that. Like, it took me a while. You know, it's all about, you know, comfort and everything. Dang, this gas $1.95. I should have stayed at the one by my house. It's $1.88. I mean $1.85. But it's okay. You can't be cheap when it comes to gas, right? Psych, shoot. This stuff, oh my gosh. Like, gas is going up. Like, I've had so many gas stations up, like almost $2 for gas when it used to be like $1.75. I know prices are going up and all that stuff, but Jesus, slow down. Like, it seemed like right when I got a car, everybody decided they want to go up on gas. Like, they trying to get me. All right, let me go ahead and get some gas. I am on my way to my appointment. I hope this thing don't fall. My phone like it's about to fall, y'all. Okay, well, whatever. Hopefully I can get it stopped by this light so I can try to fix this and see what's going on. Because I don't know, it looked like it's just sitting weird. So let me see. I don't know, I might have to take this back to Family Dollars when I get back. Because I don't know, it's not doing what I wanted to do. Let me see. We're gonna see. But yeah, so right now I'm on my way to my appointment. Officially on my way. And yeah, it normally takes me like 15 or 30 minutes with my appointment, but I don't know, every day varies. I want a coffee. Should I stop and get me a coffee before I go? What should I do? I think I'm gonna stop and get me a coffee, or I either go to like Starbucks or McDonald's, but there's no Starbucks going this way, And I think there's like 2 McDonald's. But see, I know if I stop at McDonald's and get me a coffee, I'm gonna get me something to eat too because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet. So it's 10:40 and I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Ooh, Whataburger. Whataburger. I think I want Whataburger, y'all. Come on, Jeep, what you doing? This red and white Jeep don't know how to pull out. Amazon? Stay right there, Amazon. Amazon, hold up. Hold up, Amazon. Okay, what are they doing? What are they doing? They riding slow for real. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop at Whataburger and get me something to eat because I'm hungry. I am now at my appointment. I'm in the elevator. So yeah, I'm walking into my appointment. Ooh, there's 2 people here. 3. Okay, let me get off of this. There's more people than expected. Hey guys, so right now I'm in the back, getting ready to do my therapy. Look at all this stuff in my view. Gotta watch my car, make sure they don't tow it and stuff. So I got an hour up here, so hopefully it doesn't take that long. All right, so I'll be back whenever we're done in here. Hopefully soon, like 30. Like I said, you like I normally stay here 15-30 minutes, but it's like 3 people in here, so hopefully I can be out here within an hour, so that way nobody will touch my car because I'm really protective of my car. By the way, her name is Priscilla, so I'll be back whenever I'm done in here, and I'll let y'all know how long it actually took because it's, you know, like I said, there's 3 people in here, and you know they only have 2 people working here, which they're very cool. I'm currently getting my therapy treatment right now, and let me try to know, because if I do that then I can't really see you all, but I'm gonna try it out and see. But let me just tell y'all right now, this feels good. She got a heating pad on my stomach right here, and then this little thing, I'm hooked up to like this machine right there. That machine, wait, this machine right here I'm hooked up to, and the cords that's on the floor right there, that's on my back. It's actually like applying pressure to my back, so I'm getting a massage, and the thing is like rolling on my back. It's like rolling, like I don't know if you can see me moving. Yeah, so it's actually rolling on my back, and it feels so amazing. Just getting my therapy massage. I think it's gonna last for 15 minutes, so I should be out of here in the next 20 minutes. So yeah, this is how my therapy session is going. So good. All right, I'll catch y'all back when I'm in the car. Okay, see how this wind just like does my hair? Yep. So y'all look at my hair. Okay, so hi, what are you looking at? These glasses off so y'all can see me. But yeah, Javon's texting me. Okay, get off the screen. Okay, there we go. I don't have anything else on the agenda for today. I'm just waiting for Javon to get off. He's about to get off in 1 more hour. It's 12 o'clock. He gets off in 1 more hour, but he'll never make it home until like 1:30. So I gotta wait forever for him to come. But I'm just gonna go back to my house, and I'm going to sit and chill with my granny. I was over Javon's house for like almost 2 months. Like almost 2 months. So I finally came back home yesterday, and my granny's like, oh, I miss you. Oh, Family Dollars. I have to go back to Family Dollars because, guys, this mount thing that I purchased from Family Dollars, this thing broke. Like, I mean, it didn't break all the way, but like a little piece from it broke. And I'm like, I mean, it was $3, but still, like, I expected it to at least last a day. It lasted me 30 minutes, and like I wasn't even doing anything. I was just putting my phone on it, and then the piece broke. Like, you know how you put your phone on it and then it extends to your side, to the size of your phone? I was putting my phone on there, and the thing broke. Like, a piece of it just broke off. I'm like, what in the name? So yeah, I have to go to Family Dollars. And don't hit my car. Please don't hit my car. Please don't hit my car. Thank you. While you on your phone. Okay guys, let me get from over in this area before somebody hit my car, and then I'm gonna have to get. Hey y'all, we official up in this beat. Okay, so I bought this one from 99 cents only store. So yeah, let's hope and see that it actually does good. If it don't, I'm bringing this back. I'm getting tired of spending money on this stuff. Make sure I got it on here good. It's on there good, y'all. Y'all see I'm moving, y'all. Y'all ain't going nowhere. Back up. Let me get from over here. This is where the people can't drive in this area. So let me go ahead. Oh, guys, it actually looks pretty good. Uh-oh, it's a little shaky. It's just a little bit shaky. It's kind of hot. It's a little hot. Okay, it was cold this morning. Houston weather, I don't understand. I do not understand this. Alright, is the air on? Give me some air, people. Give me some air. I just filled up this tank, so I know I got some gas. Give me some air.
I'm a senior citizen.
This is gonna be up here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, man.
I ain't getting on.
JJ, you gonna be on my YouTube channel.
How? Why?
I'm gonna upload y'all.
Why?
Song my name. I'm gonna sing this song. In the water.
What's wrong with my back tire?
In the water. Girl, you ain't supposed to be carrying on like that no funeral.
Maybe because I parked on the curb.
Song my name. Not my soul.
They told the food store court gonna require people pictures in their name. What you reckon they be?
Huh?
You reckon they be?
Yeah.
Why? You know what I'm talking about?
Huh?
What you reckon they be?
You talking about food stamps gonna be requiring people's cards and stuff, because these people be switching up people's cards.
That ain't gonna stop you. Food stamps. Hey, Grady, bring your stuff up, and then we go, oh, what the total is? Oh, okay, now can you read mine?
Exactly.
Now they just want to see because people's food stamp cards get stolen.
So what they finna do?
You know, like the food truck that be delivering food, you give them your food stamp card and with no money on there.
But for like Randy's
Yeah.
truck and stuff. But they
With
said
no
Randy's
money
truck
on
be
it.
charging people.
Look, JJ.
Huh?
They be charging people way more than what they're supposed to be.
Yeah, they do.
Look. It's my YouTube
Like
channel.
all those food trucks, you can do that.
That ain't gonna do nothing.
That's mine?
That's mine. We're actually making shrimp and fajita tacos. So, yeah. Those
Do you want to turn your computer?
So we have some chicken fried fajitas. We have some guacamole. We can have tacos without guacamole. Just let you know that.
Look at that.
We got,
Look at me and your grandfather.
I can see him.
How you can see?
I can see through here.
The same thing?
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Everybody.
So if you block my teeth out, I'm gonna whack your ass.
Man, you ain't talking to cousin, Grady.
You know what I'm saying, guys?
Hey, so don't give me no, I got one.
Oh, really?
They doing one round of this week too.
Oh, Oh my god.
Oh, you talking about beef
Stop
still
that. I
eating.
got some girls.
You already had cake.
Yeah, they got to earn their shit. They gonna have to.
He ready for you to drop some.
What's gonna be gum?
Drop like, I don't know. They even sell sour still.
I think it like in the bag. Like I was gonna do the 1 chip challenge on Granny, but I wasn't gonna do the California Reach pepper.
Don't get her.
I was gonna get her those. It's like the Dorito. It's a Dorito flaming hot chip.
I know they got one that is one chip. It's one chip in a box.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what y'all need to try out.
I ain't trying that. Gee.
Y'all should. Y'all gotta put that on again. Put that on it.
Mom, Can I do 1 chip challenge on you?
Say what?
1 chip.
What is that? Who is that?
That's the 1 chip challenge.
What's the 1 chip challenge?